Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay FPS drop test in the Realme GT with the Realme UI 3.0 beta version. As you can see friends, this is a Realme GT with a Snapdragon 888 processor, and with the Snapdragon 888 processor by default the phone got update of 90 FPS as well. And right now I'll try to show you exactly the obvious FPS gonna be there in the Realme GT. Let me enable the real-time floating FPS meter. So right now in the Realme GT we will be able to play at exactly 90 FPS without any problem, unlike the Realme X1 Max. So Realme X1 Max, even though the phone has got a 90 FPS by default, but still you cannot play with the 90 FPS in those device. But right now by default you can actually play at 90 FPS friends. Let me show you the graphic settings. As you can see I did enable the 90 FPS as well during this process of testing. So let's do the couple of minutes of gameplay. How is the phone going to handle during this process of testing? Let me just slightly increase the volume. And yes, there is no 4D vibrations. There is no 4D vibration support, and there is no voice changer support in the Battlegrounds mobile game. Unfortunately, still it did not get enabled. So right now I did enable the voice changer, but let me just show you exactly the message saying that this game does not support any kind of voice changes. So we can actually see that kind of message as well, which says this game does not support. So even though while shooting as well I don't get any kind of haptic feedback. Haptic feedback is not working in this Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT. Right now try to focus on the real-time FPS meter friends, how much we are getting exactly at this moment. Yes. So we're getting up to 87 FPS. (77) as you can see, a little bit kind of sometimes frames drop, but let's see. So 84 FPS. Sometimes randomly I can see the frame drops happening in this device. Randomly it's dropping sometimes, but not every time. So 87 FPS, not bad. So this is a Snapdragon 888 processor friends, which I'm trying to demonstrate at this moment. So 85, not bad. So the overall friends in the Snapdragon 888 processor, nothing much major complaints regarding the performance wise, as you can see. Right now as you can see friends, not bad. 87 FPS, it's maintaining 89. So only actually concentrate on the CPU and the GPU usage as well, how it's handling. In terms of the CPU and the GPU usage as well, how it's going on. Not bad. Overall it's maintaining pretty good. The CPU usage is not that much. If you try to observe the CPU usage, it's not increasing much. So it's only remaining around single digit regarding the CPU overall while gameplay. As you can see friends, not bad. So let's do the bootcamp drop test. Let's see how will the phone gonna handle the bootcamp drop test. So let's select the map and classic map. Let's see friends how will the Snapdragon 888 processor gonna handle drop test. Now let's see friends how is the FPS drop gonna be there exactly in the bootcamp using the Snapdragon 888 processor. So right now we'll be able to get to know. So right now as you can see 86 FPS 83, 86, 83, it's maintaining 83 and 86, 89. And look at the CPU percentage right now, it increased to 12 percentage and GPU is about 50 percentage. So 86, 89, 82, not bad. So we did see the FPS drop test as well friends. FPS drop test, the phone was able to handle pretty good, nothing much major FPS drop. As you can see 88 FPS it was able to maintain. Pretty good, maintaining around . So 89, not bad. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I might be able to do this kind of videos. This is a Snapdragon 888 processor doing this kind of testing. So you can see the drop test, not bad. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off until then, bye.